there is gynecomastia that is true male breast development. And it is surprisingly common. I mean, I see a lot of it in my practice. I actually had gynecomastia as a young man and was really self-conscious about it. Never wanted to have my shirt off, didn't want to play shirts and skin basketball because I was afraid I'd be a skin. And I finally had mine operated on. It was the best thing I ever did. And mine was more of the glandular. And that is common, and most of it's idiopathic, meaning we don't know what causes it. Then, in our ever-increasing obesity, there is pseudo-gynecomastia, which just means the breasts are fatty. And some of these kids will come in, they have no body fat, and they got a little breast on one side. And this shows how little we understand about all this development of breast tissue. So our treatment for gynecomastia, typically it varies. A significant number of cases, we'll go in and contour and shape with the liposuction, kind of blend into the surrounding areas. And then sometimes we'll make a small incision on the areola and lift up a little flap and go in and just basically do a mini mastectomy and remove the glandular portion. You got some swelling, you get some numbness, the recovery's not too bad, but the payoff is just great. I mean, for a guy not to be self-conscious about having that breast tissue, yeah, it's a big deal. There's just an increasing acceptance of, hey, I got this problem. There's some things in life I can do something about, some I can't. Here's one I can fix.